Assalamu alaikum children. We will be learning stories from the Holy Qur'an, and today we will learn about Prophet Lot AS and the nation of Sodom. Many centuries ago, there was a town called Sodom toward the south of Dead Sea. The people who lived in Sodom were known as Sodomites. They were very wicked and dishonest. Prophet Lot AS was sent to guide them. The people of Sodom were cheaters. Whenever a trader came to Sodom to sell his goods, the Sodomites would treat him badly. They would gather around him and look at the articles for sale. They would then pick up some articles and leave without paying. Since the people of Sodom were cruel, the poor traders were afraid of them. Prophet Lot AS tried to guide them to the right path, but they paid no attention. When it became clear that the people of Sodom would not accept guidance, Allah sent angels to Prophet Lot AS. They came in the form of handsome men. These angels came to Prophet Lot AS' house at night. Lot AS did not want the evil people of Sodom to know about his guests, but his wife was a sinner. As soon as she saw the handsome men, she quietly slipped out of the house. She ran to her people and told them about the guests. When the people of Sodom heard about Prophet Lot AS' guest, they wanted to harm them, so they attacked his house. Lot AS became very worried. He felt helpless. Then the guests told him that they were angels. They asked Prophet Lot AS to leave his house at night. He left his house along with his family, but his wife, who supported the Sodomites, stayed back. As soon as Prophet Lot AS and his family went to a safe place, a terrible punishment struck the city of Sodom. There was a horrible scream. It was very powerful and turned the whole town upside down. Then all of a sudden, a rain of stones set in. The people of Sodom had no time to escape. The stones completely destroyed the town. Since the people of Sodom had disobeyed Allah, they were punished. For years after the destruction, the land of Sodom remained barren.